Today we'll be working on the Batwing tutorial. This one is die number 1299 from mariateto.com. So it comes in 3-inch, 4-inch, and 5-inch. Looks like this. I went live yesterday and I did the 3-inch one, but today we're gonna do a 4-inch one. So we did the small Batwing, and we did, which one we do? Actually, I used the 4-inch wing. Today we're gonna use the 5-inch wing, okay? So for the 4-inch wing, I used the Audrey in 3 inches, which is 273-3 if you want the single cut. But if you want the Pro Series, you could do it with the Pro Series. You cut 4 cutouts out of one time. So if you're making a lot of bows, this is the one you need. It's die number 1039. But today, I'm gonna be doing the bigger one. So let's get what we need. Get my self-healing knot first. I have my glitter here. I'm gonna cut out the 5-inch wing. I'm gonna cover it up. And this one does fit the regular Sizzix, the 6-inch one, but I have the Sizzix Big Shot Plus on my table. And filming, well, today, the Sizzix is on sale on Amazon. So you're looking for a Sizzix machine, it's on sale for $106. But you never know, with Amazon, they're always changing the prices. So definitely check out Amazon. I have it linked in my bio, the exact one that was on sale. Hopefully it's still on sale today. You guys could grab it at a good price. Okay, so we got our wings cut out. Next we're gonna cut out is the loop. So for the loop, for the 4-inch bow, I'm gonna do the Audrey in 4 inches, die number 273-4. So I have it on here. I have my little material. It has little bats and it says boo and it's an all over print. So I'm gonna do that one there. And we are going to roll it through our Sizzix Big Shot Plus. We have our little sandwich here. Roll it through. This one also fits the regular Sizzix. So if you have the 6-inch Sizzix, the Audrey in 4 inches fits it as well. Okay, so now we have our Audrey cuts. Let's make our bow now. So this is super simple to make. I have my alligator clip here. It is a pinch bow, so we need some goody rubber band. So let me grab one real quick. I have a goody rubber band. So first things first, we're gonna fold it like a taco, like this. You put your thumb in the middle to mark the center. I have my thumb here marking the center. I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna pinch it, and then I'm gonna fold down. And make sure your humps are even, okay? Once you have it like that, we're gonna grab our goody rubber band and we're gonna wrap all the way around it. 2, 3, 4, probably do it one more time. 5. Once we have it wrapped all the way around, we're gonna go like this to make sure the goody rubber band's in the middle. So now it's in the middle. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to add hot glue back here. Go towards that little hump, this hump, and we're gonna pinch it, okay? Like that. Same thing on the other side. We're gonna add hot glue here. Go towards the little hump. And we're gonna pinch it. And that makes our little loops. So now let's add it to our tail. So since this is a smooth surface, we're gonna need our Bob Smith initial glue. You could use Loctite glue, you could use Stick Fast, you can use the Gorilla Glue Orange. I just like using BSI glue because I think you get more bang for your buck using the BSI glue. And it's not coming out. Did it dry up on me? 1 second, you guys. Okay, I'm back. Let's put our BSI on here. I had to trim off the top a little bit. Okay. We have our BSI glue on there. I'm going to add our hot glue to our tail. And then we're going to stick it on. Stick this one on. Make sure all the bow's an all over print, so it doesn't really matter which way it goes. We'll do it this way. And we'll stick it on here. And then we're going to press down where we added the glue to make sure the glue is nicely stuck onto the back of our bow. Press, press, press. Look how cute. Okay, let's cut our center strip, which I didn't cut pre-hand. Let's cut it real quick. The Audrey does come with the center strip, but I always like cutting my own, so you always see me cutting my own strips. Cut my little strip. We're going to add hot glue to the back of our tail here. Get our center strip, stick it on. We're going to hold down. And here it's easier to add the glue to the center right here. Added my glue there, and I'm going to wrap it all the way around. We're going to pinch it to make sure the glue is actually stuck onto the center. Go towards the back. I'm going to cut off what we don't need. So I'm using a 60 mm alligator clip for my bow here. I cut it, I lined it with 1/4 inch ribbon, and I lined it to 4.5 inches of ribbon. And I'm using 1/4 inch grosgrain ribbon, okay? I'm gonna add hot glue to the back of my clip. I'm gonna stick it on to the back of my bow. And we're gonna hold on. Like this. Then we're gonna make sure that our little center strip's not too long. I like making sure that it doesn't cover up the teeth. Here, it doesn't cover up the teeth. So I'm gonna add hot glue here. Grab my center strip, put it in the middle. I'm gonna press down, make sure it's nice and stuck on there. Then I'm gonna grab more hot glue, put it in the middle of my alligator clip. Then get my 1/4 inch ribbon, bring that towards the center. And then grab my, I like the X-Acto. This is how I have it linked on my Amazon storefront. It's on Amazon, you guys. Like this. And I like using this because it's metal, and it's one of these thingies, the ones that cut thingies. I don't ever use the thing to cut. I always just use this part here because if you get glue stuck on it, it's really easy to clean. It's an X-Acto. And our little bat bow is done. So here's the size comparison. I haven't made a 5-inch one yet, but here's the size comparison between a 3-inch and 3-inch Audrey, 4-inch Audrey. But this one is the 5-inch tail and 4-inch tail. I haven't made the 3-inch tail yet, but that is the size difference. It is super cute. So if you haven't got it yet, go check out the website at mariatreto.com and put it on a bow card. And I'll tell you guys again what bow dies I used. Look how cute. Okay, so I used the Audrey in 4 inches, was 273-4. And I also used the bat wings, which is die number 1299. And both of them are available at mariatreto.com. Follow for more tutorials.